What's up guys, how you doing? I go by the name of by.design. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be checking out CHUU's newest comeback, which is Only Cry in the Rain. That is a very depressive title for a CHUU song. If you're familiar with her, she has of course a range of songs, right? Her catalog is pretty broad, but if you have watched any variety content featuring her, she has I think like 2 or 3 ongoing shows on YouTube. She's just like happiness personified, right? Like such a positive person. So I'm actually really excited to see what this is. Maybe if we're getting actually like a slower, like mellow song from her, or if it's just like a fake out. But yeah, as always, I'm really excited to see where this is going. I talked about it in my, I think, Artemis reaction before. I've only gotten into Luna basically with Paint the Town, which is I think the last song they released before they disbanded. So I never really like checked them out as a group as a whole. But I really like Artemis. I'm excited to see where Lucemble's secondary debut is gonna go. And of course, Eve and CHUU are just killing it right now. So yeah, let's just see what it is and check it out right now. 350. So there's probably gonna be some lore in here, right? Okay, very retro. I'm already really liking the sound of this. Again, I don't know what it is, but I'm like a sucker for this like modernized retro 80s kind of vibe. The video is beautifully shot. The whole like grainy filter they throw over it, really nice. I love that animation part, that is so cool. Is that background real? Those mountains don't look real. Okay. Okay, so first impressions, right? I really enjoy the song. The whole 80s retro mellow type vibe is really trending right now. A lot of groups and just artists in general go for it, and I really enjoy it. So when it comes to the music video, there will probably be 1,000 different versions of how you can interpret what it actually was about. If you combine it with the lyrics, there will probably be someone who reads like, there's this background, right? Just for myself, by seeing the video, trying to absorb the lyrics at the same time, shit happens, right? And if you're a person that maybe like CHUU is trying to keep it positive, you want to be that like really, I don't really know what I want to call it, but you want to always present like your good side, right? You want to seem fine on the outside, and sometimes it can just overwhelm you, right? If you don't have like an adequate outlet for whatever is happening inside of you, right? I have it in my visibility disclaimer. I got sick a couple of years ago, and it was pretty bad. Like in terms of like, I was told you have 5 weeks left to live, right? That was 4 years ago. I'm still out here kicking it. I'm not in my best shape, of course, but I'm still like here, right? And it's shit like that that can get you down so, excuse my language, fucking fast, right? It's like your entire world just gets shaken up in like 5 seconds, right? Where just somebody tells you something, you witness something, and it's just like, man, that hit way harder than expected, right? And trying to be that self-restrained person that's like, oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna show that on the outside, right? I'm just gonna be bubbly, I'm gonna be tough, like whatever, right? I mean, towards guys, it's probably like, oh, you like wanna be like a strong man or something, right? Yeah, fuck that shit, man. Fuck that. For real. Yeah, sorry for rambling on about this, but especially over like the last year or so, I think it has become very, very important to me to just actually talk about all this shit, right? Where it's like, yeah, sure, man, I could be here pretending like everything's fine, right? Everything's cool and all that, but hey, it's not, man. It's really not. And you got every right to feel whatever you're feeling, as long as you find a proper way to deal with all of it, right? And I know it's a very harsh interpretation of what we've seen, right? But CHUU just being out there in the rain, just crying and screaming for help, basically, right? And friends coming in to help her and pull her out of that whole thing. And even though you have that moments that are like really cool, that are really nice, right? And you feel that joy, there are these moments where it's like, yeah, I can't. Like, I really can't pretend it's all good right now, right? And having the support is so important. So important. Yeah, like I said, sorry for rambling on about this, but this is something actually really, really like close to my heart, right? If you're going through something, no matter what it is, seek help. I mean, it is okay to just like be in your feelings, right? And to like only cry in the rain, but make sure that you got someone that you can talk about this, right? I mean, it's basic as it sounds, but we all deserve to be happy, right? But yeah, I didn't want the video to be that negative. I'm sorry. This is a music video reaction, not a goddamn therapy session, right? But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here. If by any chance you like the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you feel like it. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one, right? Bye.